It's a windy day. Peppa wears her shiny new red hat to play with George.
I love my new hat!
The wind gets stronger.
Oh no! My hat!
Peppa and George run after it, trying to grab it. At last, the hat flies over the fence and lands right on Daddy Pig's head while he's reading. Peppa puts the hat back on and says, "This time, I'll hold it tight." Today is Daddy Pig's birthday. Peppa wants to bring the cake to the table. But George runs past, and Peppa wobbles. Daddy Pig opens the door. Splat! The cake falls right on his feet. Daddy Pig smiles. It's still delicious.